Hurricane season is here. And when it strikes, every second matters. This guide will help you act fast and stay alive. Build your 48-hour go bag. Pack water, 1 gallon per person per day. Add food, meds, flashlight, charger, first aid kit, and cash in small bills. Add waterproof copies of ID, insurance, and medical records. Back them up to the cloud. Keep it all in one easy-to-grab place. Know your zone. Choose 2 ways out. Share routes with family. Set a meeting point and know where to shelter your pets. Keep your gas tank at least half full through the season. Don't wait, stations run dry fast. Secure the house. Bring in furniture, tools, and toys. Add boards to windows. Brace the garage. Clear drains and gutters. Stack sandbags if needed. Take photos of every room and valuable item. If disaster strikes, those pictures speed up insurance claims. Check your policy. Most don't include flood coverage. And flood insurance takes 30 days to activate. Stock food, meds, and vet records for pets. For elders or those with medical devices, arrange backup power or relocation ahead of time. Turn on wireless emergency alerts. Download the FEMA and Red Cross apps. And keep a NOAA weather radio nearby. A watch means danger is possible. Prepare. A warning means it's coming. Act now. When officials say evacuate, go. Don't tape windows. Don't drive through flood water. Never run a generator indoors. Carbon monoxide kills silently. After the storm, wear boots and gloves. Avoid floodwater and down lines. Photograph damage before cleanup. Preparation saves lives. Build your kit. Plan your exit. Help your neighbors. For checklists, visit FEMA, Red Cross, or NOAA. Like, share, and subscribe for more. Stay ready and stay safe.